talking shit about the snow. Due diligence. You own the property. Welcome to the fine print. And guys, we are back. As you know, we purchased a home. We said we would record our journey on our demolition. We're just gonna catch a few footages on what's going on and how it looks right now, so you guys can see a world of a difference when it's done. And we're also gonna do a little demolition.
Yeah, bear with us. It's kind of noisy because we're getting some work done, but
Where you gonna take your mask down?
you want me to take stuff? So, majority of the demolition is done already, as you guys can see.
But we wanted to make a memory.
So she said she could throw a hammer. So
I
can't.
It's heavy.
So I was betting her that she can't even pick the hammer up, but at least she's doing a little better than I thought.
So how am I supposed to swing it?
You just take a swing at it. You want me to go first?
It's heavier than I remember. I don't want to fall on me, huh?
I'll go from the side a little bit.
Right here. It's just gonna fall apart.
If I swing it around, how is it like this?
I like that one. I didn't know it's supposed to break it this rough. Okay, maybe you should do it. Cause I think I broke up her.
Yeah, you gotta break into the wall a little bit.
Come on! You know I got you! Yeah!
Oh my god.
One! Break the wall! Break down the walls!
Okay, you're showing off now. You're just showing off.
Oh, you good.
You're showing off. That's what it is. I don't have enough physical strength to do that. And it's heavy and it's cold.
I had to do it for my guys from 308, man.
Oh please. It's heavy too. Dion, you trying to kill me?
You can do this.
Look, keep going.
Just say you.
I got scared, but you keep going. Be careful, Dion. I'm shook.
That's electric.
Huh?
I actually think about a motor.
Because we can't hit the electrical word.
That's a beam.
I don't know, this is kind of satisfying.
Yeah, a little bit.
It's actually This is heavy. Huh?
You don't use much.
It's
a workout.
my risk is done.
So we did a little demolition on the wall.
So we also wanted to just like actually like put our initials and our son's initial on the foundation of the house because we want it to be like a forever memory. As you guys can see, it is a lot of work, but we're prepared to deal with it, and we're completely fine with the fact that we're gonna have to work hard. It's gonna take us a while, a good while, but we're prepared to like get the work done and get exactly what we wanted. We know that renovations take a lot, so we are putting the money that we need to get exactly what we've been looking for, right?
Yeah.
And I feel like this is a nice way to like get the kitchen that I wanted too, because throughout house hunting, there was a lot of properties that didn't have what we wanted. So I think that's what pushed us ultimately to getting a property that needed a little bit more work, right?
Yeah, so we definitely wanted to try to invest in a property that we ultimately will want. So getting a house that was fully renovated and have to gut
Still
it out
do
anyway
work,
would
yeah.
make no sense. So we said let's go with a project and make
A
it what we
project
want.
house, a PJs. We got a PJs on our hand.
If you're in New York right now, you know it's cold.
Ah, it is a nightmare. I freaking hate this shit. I hate it here. But we're happy. We are going to take you guys on this journey as we continue to progress and do the renovations and really get this show on the road. So we will catch you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching.